Hey friends, welcome back to the brand new episode of PC's recipe. My today's recipe is Palak Paneer. So let's check what we require to make Palak Paneer. We will heat a pan and in this we will add ghee. I have added 2 tablespoon ghee. Now in this we will add patta, cinnamon stick, clove and green cardamom. Now in this I will add onion. After onion become golden brown, we will add garlic. And ginger. Now we will cover it and we will cook it for a minute. Now after the nice aroma, we will add onion puree. We will cook this onion puree for 5 minutes on a medium flame. Now at this stage we will add tomato puree. We will add Hing, Asafoetida, Turmeric powder, Coriander powder and salt. We will not add chili powder, Garam Masala and Cumin powder at this stage. First our gravy will cook well, then after in the last we will add these spices. Now we will cover it. Now on another side we will grill paneer. We will cover it. Now let's check paneer. We have to grill paneer randomly. Now I will turn off the flame. Our gravy is ready. Now I will add palak puree. Now our palak is also cooked well. Now I will add paneer. Now At this stage, I will add Garam Masala. 1 tablespoon of Garam Masala. And half tablespoon of Cumin powder. Add ghee with ghee. In this I will add red chilli. We will add chili powder and water. Isn't it look like a Dhaba style? You also try this recipe once at your home. See you in the next video.